Hello everybody, welcome to Dila's Homemaker Tips channel, and today we will be speaking about tips to deep clean your kitchen. The first tip I want to talk about is to declutter your space. The more clear your area is, the easier it will be to deep clean. Tip number 2 is to clean your backsplash and your countertops. I use a natural detergent to clean my countertops, and I use my dishwashing detergent to clean my backsplash because it does get fairly greasy after a while, but the dishwashing detergent has a degreaser effect, which makes it nice and non-slippery. The next tip, which is tip number 3, will be to clean your blinds. I know we forget about this area quite often, but whenever you do remember, try doing it because it does get very, very dusty and you don't want to breathe in any dust. Since this is a brand new channel, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Dila. I will be showing you a lot of homemaker tips in this channel, which would include cleaning, cooking, self-care, motherhood, and being a wife. If you love content like this, please do consider subscribing, liking, and commenting below, and I would greatly appreciate for you to join me and my YouTube family. Now that we've met, I want to get on to tip number 4, which is to clean your windows. You really want to thoroughly clean all the corners and the nooks and the crannies, because when we are usually spot cleaning, we forget these areas and they do tend to get very dirty. You also want to get to the rims and the moldings of the window, which is tip number 5, and thoroughly clean that with a kitchen brush. Next step up is to clean all the hardware around your sink, which includes the faucet, the soap dispenser, and the sprayer. Deep cleaning your kitchen sink is the next step. You really want to clean it thoroughly. Usually I'll either use a brush or a magic eraser, but today I'm in the brush mode. I use soft scrub, or I will use just straight up dishwashing detergent and get all the stains out and the grease out. The next thing you want to do, which is tip number 8, is to spot clean your electric kitchen appliances and keep them nice and tidy. Tip number 9 is to spot clean any darkened grout on your backsplash. I usually like to use the Resolve stain remover. It really does work wonders, but if you don't have that, you can use the Easy Off spray. Tip number 10 is to pull out your oven. I know a lot of us don't do this, but believe me, it is not heavy and it makes your life a lot easier when you have to clean through the crevices. You don't have to deal with any of that knife and wiping and any of that. Just pull it out, wipe it off, and it becomes nice and clean. Next step is to brush down your stovetop. You can use any kind of stovetop cleaner. I usually like to brush it down with dishwashing detergent, and then I will wipe it off with a all-natural detergent. Next off, tip number 12, you want to wipe down your canisters because there are a lot of fingerprints on there and maybe some food residue from the stove. So you definitely want to clean off those canisters. Do not forget about your microwave. I like to use natural ingredients. I use lemon water. I'll microwave it for a minute and then I will get on to wiping it with a dampened rag. I don't like using detergent for the microwave because we do use it often and I don't want any kind of chemical scent going into the food that we eat. Next up is wiping down your cabinets. I usually use a steamer because it's a lot easier, but you can also use a rag dampened with hot water and it will easily remove any kind of fingerprints or food stains on your cabinets. Coming up on our list is tip number 15. You want to clean your kitchen table and everything around it and under it first so you don't have to worry about it later when you are mopping and vacuuming. And finally, we are vacuuming and mopping the floors. This will be the last step in deep cleaning your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in my next cleaning tip video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.